Welcome to Storypie for Schools, where students don't just read about history, science, and big ideas, they hear it straight from the source. Storypie turns passive screen time into active, unforgettable learning. Getting started is simple. Go to schools.mystorypie.com, enter your school email, and we'll send you a secure magic link. No passwords to remember. This is your educator dashboard. A simple getting started checklist guides you step by step, and you can invite any colleague at your school to join, completely free. Let's build your first classroom. Give it a name, choose a grade level and age range, and you're all set. Your classroom gets a unique class code that students use to join. Copy, share, and students join in seconds. There are 3 effortless ways to add students. Search and select students already in your school and they're added instantly. Or add a new student one at a time and pair an email and we'll send an invite for you. And for a whole class, use bulk upload. Paste a list of names, 1 per line, or upload a CSV file. You can include parent emails, display names, and student IDs all at once. It takes seconds. Print or email login cards and track everyone's progress from the roster and student progress tabs. Now for the best part, the Browse page, your content library. In Learn and Explore, you'll find biographies, places, events, inventions, and more across arts, science, technology, engineering, math, and much more. Switch language and your entire library transforms with one click. Every story available in 27 languages, perfect for ELL and multilingual classrooms. Adjust the age band to find content for any grade level from pre-K through middle school. Search for a topic, filter by category, or just scroll through and discover. Every story is age appropriate and beautifully illustrated. Let's listen to Harriet Tubman tell her own story. Every biography is told in the first person as if Harriet herself is speaking to your students. There's full audio narration and the text right alongside. Need a quiz? Print one instantly. Want a creative activity? Download a coloring page. You can also copy the text for your lesson plans. When you're ready, hit Assign. Choose your classroom, set requirements like must listen or must take quiz, add a due date, and it's sent to your students. The Stories tab is where creativity lives. Browse by genre, fantasy, adventure, educational, and more. These are personalized, illustrated adventures that get reluctant readers excited about stories, and just like Learn and Explore, you can switch languages and age bands here too. And the best part? Storypie for Schools is free for educators. Go to schools.mystorypie.com and turn screen time into real growth time for your students.